Friends, I Dr. Harshita Baprekar welcome you to e-learning platform, an initiative by Science Park Savitribai Phule Pune University. In today's session, we are going to understand measurement of physical quantities from 7th standard of SSC board, that is as per Maharashtra board, which is chapter number 6, and 6th standard from CBSE, the part of chapter 10. अब ये फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज क्या है, मेजरमेंट क्या है, ये क्यों सीखना है, व्हाई वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट, लेट अस सी इन डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स, that is measurement of things, then physical quantities, scalar and vector quantities, mass and weight. Now tell me how things are measured. आप लोग जाते हो मार्केट में, ये वेजिटेबल्स कैसे मेजर करते हैं बोलो तो? अरे दीज आर लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, ये हरी सब्जियां कैसे मेजर करते हैं? Oh, these are threads. Now what next? This is liquid. Now tell me, is the measurement thing same for threads and liquids? Oh, this is golden ring. And these are cloths which you see at shops. So ये सब चीज़ें कैसे मेजर करते हैं? क्या आप एक बैंगन लेके जाते हो और do you compare it as one diamond ring? Diamond is measured or that gold is measured in different way, and leafy vegetables in different way. So everything is different. So that's why we have to study these things. Which are these physical quantities and their units? Physical quantities are time, जो सेकंड में मेजर करते हैं. सेकंड ये क्या है? सबसे मिनिमम वाला उसका यूनिट है. देन लेंथ, इट इज इन मीटर. मास इन किलोग्राम. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इन एम्पियर. thermodynamic temperature, that is in Kelvin. This is little different thing. You will study this in next standard. Amount of substance in mole. This also you are going to study in next standard. Then luminous intensity in candela. It's unit of that. So how earlier days the liquid was measured? It was in gallon. Mass in pound, then length in inches or yard, and something like that. But there should be something common, standardized. So we are going to study everything slowly. Let us see more about scalars and vectors. Basically scalars, or that scalar quantity, is having magnitude, meaning 16 meter. 16 is the magnitude. Okay, it is the value with some unit. Meter is the unit and value is 16. So which are these scalar quantities? Length or breadth. Here we have tunnel. We usually say length of the tunnel is 1 kilometer. So 1 is scalar, kilometer is unit. Then density, time, area, work, mass, temperature. Okay, these are scalar quantities. Now let us see vector. Vectors are having magnitude and direction. Magnitude meaning 16 meter covered along north or south or east or west accordingly. That meaning right positive, left negative, up positive, down negative, likewise. So these are displacements. So displacement of 20 km towards north. So that is the specific thing. Then velocity. Now let us understand mass. What do you see here? A balance. On the left side, the shopkeeper keeps usually standard weights, and on the right side we keep the material whichever we want to purchase. Then there is another type of balance. Here is one more balance. This is called as two-pan balance. So what is the mass? Mass is the matter present in the pan. That meaning whatever material we want to purchase, that is our matter. So now let us understand in terms of scalar and vector. Mass is scalar quantity, that is just a number with its unit. So what is the unit of mass? That is gram or kilogram. Now in two pen balance, when on the both sides weight and our material is kept, we usually compare two such masses. Okay, now let us see more about this. Mass is the quantitative measure of inertia of the object. Now what is inertia? Matter has natural tendency to resist a change in its state. That is inertia, meaning unless we push it, pull it, or just change its position, it will not change anything, anyhow, anywhere on its own. It will be at its own position only wherever we have kept it. So if mass is larger, it has greater inertia. It does not change from place to place anywhere in the world. So 2 kg will remain 2 kg only. But mass and weight are different things. So we are going to see now what is weight. ये पिक्चर में ये बच्चा क्या कर रहा है? He is trying to know his weight. Weight, okay? What is weight? हम जहाँ पे भी खड़े रहते हैं, वहाँ पे हम खड़े क्यों रह पाते हैं? That is because of gravitational force. So basically, the gravitational force by which Earth attracts an object towards its center. अर्थ अपने ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स की वजह से वो सेंटर में कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट खींचने की कोशिश करती है. दैट इज आवर वेट. सो वेट जो है वो अर्थ पे अलग अलग जगह अलग अलग है, लेकिन मास सेम है. जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो अब मुझे बोलो कि ये जो है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑन द अर्थ, वो वेट से जो रिलेटेड है. सो इसकी वजह से हम लोग डिफाइन कर पाएंगे वेदर वेट इज स्केलर और वेक्टर. यस, ऑब्वियसली इट इज वेक्टर, सिंस ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स कहाँ पे है? नीचे की तरफ, वो खींच रहा है. सो वेट इज वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. अभी जो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है वो मून पे अलग है, अर्थ पे अलग है. सो मेरा वेट भी चेंज होने वाला है. अभी फोर्स का यूनिट होता है न्यूटन, सो वेट का यूनिट भी है न्यूटन.
In this experiment, we are going to demonstrate the difference between mass and weight. Attach a string and a ball to a stand, and we have also attached second string below this ball. So we are going to pull this string quickly and slowly. So while doing that, we have to observe which of these string breaks. So let's pull it quickly and see what happens. Now let's pull this string slowly.
Let us see what we have done in this experiment. बॉल को हमने एक स्ट्रिंग से बांधा था और एक स्ट्रिंग नीचे से ऐसे ही खुली थी. Then we were trying to push that string in the downward direction. जो नीचे की स्ट्रिंग है उसको हम खींच रहे थे. कैसे? एक क्विकली और एक स्लोली. सो इन द फर्स्ट केस जब हमने क्विकली खींचा था, नीचे की स्ट्रिंग टूट गई. व्हाई? इट वाज ड्यू टू इनर्शिया, दैट इज मास. एंड इन द सेकेंड केस ऊपर से ही स्ट्रिंग पूरी टूट गई. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द एडेड फोर्स ऑफ वेट ऑफ द बॉल. We know the concept of weight. So to measure or weigh certain object, can we use this spring balance? Now what is spring balance? Can you see here? Here you have such kind of scale, and at the center there is a horizontal plate. Whenever I hang some object like this, like here I have hung water bottle, the marking or that plate will come down accordingly. Why will it come down? Since we know that is the gravitational force of attraction. So will you make spring balance? Let us see before that something more. Whenever I attach some weight to the spring, it will get stretched, that is extended. If I remove the weight, it will get compressed. So try to make spring balance with the help of spring and a scale. From where will you get the spring? You have to search. Now, based on this first part, use your brain power. First question. Why would the weight of an object be maximum at the poles and minimum at the equator? वेट किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का पोल्स पे ज़्यादा क्यों है और इक्वेटर पे कम क्यों है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाई इज द वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट एट अ हाई एल्टीट्यूड लेस देन इट्स वेट एट द सी लेवल?